beans.
Piper, what did you get from Grandpa and Grandma? Some cookware? Oh, you know just what to do.
You testing it? How's it taste?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you stirring it? Are you stirring it?
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
No, put it back on the burner. You gonna put some water in it? Shh.
You gotta turn it on with this.
All right, it's full.
Ray Ray.
That's good. Now you put it on the stove. Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, baby.